Is that you, Peggy? That's.
No.
Are you spinning her rod around? Can you turn the light back on for yes, or stop spinning it, please? If that's you, Peggy. Is that one starting?
Yeah, this is starting.
Oh my gosh. That is
Do
crazy.
you not like us talking about the baby?
Yeah, if you don't like us talking about the baby, turn the light back off, please.
Does that make you sad?
If it makes you sad, turn the light off or point the rods at their shoulders, please.
She wants somebody to know.
It says empathy. It just said empathy, Betsy. Turn the light on. It said empathy.
Yeah. There goes the light.
Thank you. Thank you for turning the light off and turning it back on. This is amazing.
Yes.
Were you related to
What?
Sally?
Were you related to Sally? Turn the light off for yes. Were you yes?
Yeah. Light now.
That's crazy. Thank you. So,
Now I'm really confused.
yeah. Well, because there's 7 spirits in here too, though, so that could be where something confusion is.
Well, that's.
Yeah.
What's it mean when these lights are just like staying on?
You definitely have something right there.
I mean, this is,
That's really good.
oh, it was all the way up to the red.
Yeah, they like to interact with
Since
everybody.
we've been talking about the baby,
Really?
it wasn't doing anything.
What about Native Americans
Yes.
that were here before the house?
Were there any, I probably have to say Indians, because a lot of times back then they didn't call Native Americans. So. Were there any Indians here on the property at any point? Does anyone know? Could you? Can you turn the light off for yes or? Trouble.
Not bad.
Smoke.
Smoke?
Interesting.
They displaced by the building of the house.
Were any of them displaced by this house being built? Can you try to touch her shoulder for yes, or turn the light back on if any Indians were displaced? The light turn back on. Can you touch her shoulder too with one of those, maybe? Please?
It seems to have been long before that.
Yeah, they wouldn't,
Oh.
they wouldn't have been here.
Unless the media.
No. No, it was only 19, like what, 08 or something? That's weird though, why would it say that? Didn't touch her shoulder
Well, they
though.
probably were displaced, but
There
just
could have been a
not
house here
built
before
right
that.
by the-
There could have been Indian burials that were displaced when this house was built.
Now that's true.
Or a house that was here before this house, that was, 1800s or whatever.
Yeah, was there a home built here before Swannanoa Palace? Turn the light off if there was a house here before the palace, please. Do you know? You might not know.
So they might not know.
We're gonna go upstairs soon to, thanks for turning it off.
Mother.
I actually said leather. Yeah, things hard to understand. Thanks for turning the light off.
Did James and Sally get married in Stanton, Virginia, on Church Street?
Did you hear that question?
She said no, very clear.
Sell, S-E-L-L. Yeah, it's, I don't know why I said. Turn the light on if that's true. Did you hear the, thank you. Is that where they got married?
My friend lives on Church Street, across the street from the Stewart House, and it's always been said that
That's where they were.
that's where they got married, because Sally's sisters lived in Stanton.
Okay,
And they
cool.
went there and lived with them, and that's where they got married.
Thank you. That's nice when you can validate something. We like doing that. Thank you very much. Did you like getting married there? Was that a nice place to get married? Turn the light off if you liked it. Why wouldn't they have gotten married here?
Wasn't built yet.
This wasn't built yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this wasn't built yet.
Okay, well that explains that. So, are we about ready to go? It's James's turn.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna wrap it up down here for a few minutes, but do you have any closing questions since we obviously have good contact? Anyone? Thanks for turning the light on. Are you gonna follow us upstairs? Let me, before we.
Will there be any
go up.
different spirits up there?
Yeah, turn the light on if there's gonna be different spirits up there. I'm gonna try this radio before we go up again and just see if we can catch any more on and away.
Oh,
Thank you. So you are gonna come up with us?
see, she's calling us.
Okay. So, can you say goodbye to us? We're gonna go upstairs.